My name is Anji Akyu, convener of Foothills Naga Coordination Committee. Yesterday, there was very unfortunate incident was happening at Pongringlong village. There, the villagers who went to fix the water pipe and fetch dry wood, the Kuki militants ambushed our innocent villagers and they killed it without any mercy. And we strongly condemn from our side. This is the terrorist act. This is the act of the terrorist people. And they are ready to kill, they are ready to ambush, they are ready to overtake our people. So we strongly condemn. And the government or the authority should take the action, but instead they are condemning it. Instead of taking action, they are condemning. So we will take the action and government will do the condemnation. And lastly, here in India or Manipur, it's a democracy country, but here in Manipur, the definition of democracy is government of the Kuki National Front by the Nemsa Kipgen for the Kuki people, like that. So, strong action must be initiated and punish those culprit people. And Sukem must be abrogated immediately. Only then peace will prevail in Manipur. Thank you.
After Yumnam Khemchand Singh hold as a chief minister, they are just condemning, but despite the presence of central forces, no action we are seeing, but the people, innocent people are still dying because armed militants have been repeatedly targeting the civilians. So, any on that?
Yeah, the government should take action, but they are condemning itself. This is a kind of the authority are condemning, and the public are taking, the Kuki militant people are taking action by killing innocent peoples, especially the Naga people and Meitei people. What is the use of having a government if they are not taking action to those militant people and those Kuki terrorists? If they can't control it, then why not resign it? Why not take action? Those militant people are roaming here and there. They are with armed, sophisticated, with weapons, with full uniform. They are in front of the security forces. What are the security forces doing? They are doing that. They roam here under their nose. Why didn't they take action? Is there some hidden agenda behind it? To kill the indigenous people, to finish off the indigenous people.
Do you really think that the central and the state government is giving the killing license to kill to the Kuki militants outfit rather than controlling them?
Yeah, we feel that they are in the kind of controlling, but we feel that that kind of controlling is not enough. They have a kind of proxy war is going on by using the Kuki militant people by the government of India and government of Manipur. So we don't feel safe under the security protection. So that's why we are having our own village guarded and village protection unit was set up here because we don't feel safe and we don't have trust these security forces and the state government and the government of India.
Do you consider that if government or armed forces deployed in Manipur, if they did not take action against miscreants, then there will be many youths holding arms to protect them?
Even if they deploy all the army of India in Manipur, peace will not come unless they work sincerely and if they are willing to bring peace in Manipur.
Apart from arresting the culprit, what are the main demands FNCC want to make in connection with this framework?
Pardon me?
Apart from arresting the culprit, what are the other demands FNCC want to raise to the government?
We have been demanding and we have memorandum of agreement with the government of Manipur also that the root cause of this issue was started long back. Sukem must be abrogated. Poppy cultivation, narcos, terrorist war have been going on here. And this unauthorized, illegal road has been making in all over the state of Manipur in the foothills areas. These are the main issues. So we have been demanding, we have an agreement with the government, but they didn't take it seriously. So we have been suspecting that it might be the government who are supporting those terrorists. That kind of question we like to ask.
ganglona sumlong na kani leader bye non kani akai tung jati TV ba duga akoi asiguma matamna solidarity utpi ba sise yamna thagatsari akoi honorable CM na su magi condolence akoi gi thodok sida endaba anna chaina base komunam irang se kaimsu kana de hai base fajana uwi. So I appeal to all the citizens of Manipur, to all the arms group, to all the CSOs to absorb violence. Hana China basina kari isu akoy na pamiba pot se phangado usnatte. Indian government, Indian nation is such a big nation, such a mature nation now. We have enough provision in the Constitution of India to demand, to address our grievances. Aduna, akoi du saurba India da lege hai base akoi kawu yade. To the people of Manipur, akoi layron like Haiga, Konsaramgi incident, we know it very well. Just 6 people who are unaccounted so far. They are picked up by the same group at the same time in the same place. Aduna, I appeal to the people who are responsible for this to own up their responsibility. And I appeal to all the other CSOs so to release the 14 detainees. The Hausi Akoi Jati Marakta Tonari se Sukana Vapamwai. Aduna Akoi sounding Malaysu Taptana Kantaviu, let a better sense prevail. Akoi se Akoi grievances, Akoi demands democratically parliamentary means of demand, protest it Toroga, Akoi na Pamba, Pamdava, Akoi na Penba, Pendava se Akoi address to Ngai William Konatsi.